Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install RStudio. RStudio is an integrated development environment that is IDE for the programming language R. It offers a user-friendly interface with tools for code execution, plotting, and workspace management. R works independently, but RStudio requires R to be installed. So to download RStudio, just type here RStudio, click on download. Download RStudio desktop for Windows. Now once it is downloaded, next, then finish. That's it. So in the next video, I will show you how to use RStudio. Thank you so much for watching this video.